Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome to another video. And I am not in my garage, yeah, Megan, if you want to pan to the sky, we are out in the country and look at the storm clouds rolling in. So I'm going to make this quick. What we have here is a 1966 Ford F250 that found on Marketplace for sale. And I want you viewers to tell me, should I buy this and restore this? And what I really want, do we want to make it look like this, or just kind of give it some patina and let it go at that? So we're going to take a quick walk around it. It does need some work. The body is overall really straight. I mean, some paint work and a little bit. I think what I would do is leave a lot of the dents in and just sand it down and paint it. Now, folks, this is back when metal was metal, not this plastic stuff these days. But the owner, the seller, has told me it starts, it runs, it needs a little tinkering with the carburetor, but it starts and runs. Excuse me, the tires are probably to the point where I'm going to have to invest in some tires, but you know, it's all there. And it's a 1966. And folks, it's not a Mercedes-Benz. Going to have to patch in some metal, some metal. There's, it's going to have the typical floorboard rust. And, it's not quite Fred Flintstone yet, but we can probably make that work. And I'm going to do a little research to see if those pans are available from some of those online sources. But it is a 4-speed, right? It's not a 3 with it is a 4-speed. And one, is it a granny gear, or is it just so technically it's a 3-speed with a granny gear. But overall it's pretty solid. Yeah, it's going to need some rubber seals if we, go to that point. But let's take a look at this engine bay real quick. And it's got a new carburetor. It's got and he even told me the engine was rebuilt, and it has the specifications of the engine and what bearings were used, and it was rebuilt by Ford. So overall, I'm kind of liking the truck. And Megan, who's holding the camera, she vowed to, if we buy this, that she vowed that she would help on putting it back together, making it, do we want to make it a show vehicle? Probably not, because I'm not that good, but we could, make it to where it'd be a fun cruise night, car show kind of thing. Of course, we'd have to involve Jose and his welding skills to put a few things back together. But viewers, everybody that subscribes to my channel, what I'd like you to do is put your comments down below. Should I buy it, or should I pass? And I'm going to get this video up. It is June 25th. I'm going to get this video posted tonight, so you have till 5 p.m. tomorrow to tell me yay or nay. I got to let he's got more interest, and here's what's probably going to happen. I may have to just let him show it to somebody else, and we're going to miss out. So I don't know. I got to make a decision, and Megan and I are going to talk about this. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Put your comments down below. Should I do it? Should this be part of the Jeff's Cars and Garage? Putting stuff back together and bringing it back to life? Or should we let it pass? Have a great day. Thanks for watching.